In today's video, I will walk you through how to create bills from emails in Xero. To begin, once you're logged into your Xero account, look at the menu across the top of the screen and click on Purchases. This section contains the tools you'll use to manage your bills and expenses, making it the starting point for this process. After selecting Purchases, look through the available options and click on Bills. This will take you to the Bills page, where you can see all of your existing bills in one place. This page is where you'll manage both current and newly created bills. Once you're on the Bills page, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled New Bill. Click on this button to continue. After selecting New Bill, you'll find an option to copy your forward email address. Click on that option, and Xero will automatically copy the forward email address to your clipboard. This forward email address is the key part of the process. It is the address you'll use whenever you want Xero to create a draft bill from an email. Each forward email address is unique to your Xero account, so it is specifically linked to your own bills and records. Whenever you receive a bill by email, simply forward that email to the copied forward email address. Once the email is sent, Xero will automatically generate a draft bill and add it to your list of bills for review. This means you won't need to manually create a new draft bill each time you receive one by email. Instead, Xero will prepare the draft for you, allowing you to review the information before continuing with your normal workflow. If you need to use the forward email address again in the future, you can return to the Bills section, click New Bill, and copy the forward email address again whenever needed. Once your bills have been forwarded, you can return to your Bills page to review the draft bills that have been created. From there, you can continue managing them as part of your regular accounting process. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.